Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Learnify today. So guys, as you know, these days I'm not uploading videos on my channel in a regularly basis, and because I'm little bit under the weather, or also it is a personal issues, or I would say situation is not in my hand. So that's why I'm not uploading videos, or I'm not making videos in a regularly basis. But one thing I observed, that is this day I'm not practicing much. Okay, so I observed like my fluency is going to lost, because I'm unable to pronounce all the words in a correct way, in a correct sentence, because this day I break my consistency. I'm not reading book, I'm not making videos, or also I'm not learning something. So I realize that my fluency is going to lost. My mind is going to empty. Just like I don't know. I don't know something. How I can explain my things, how I can improve, how I can introduce. Something is going to lost. Trust me guys, I realized that. Then I decided no, that is very I would say that is very bad for my pronunciation, for my English, for myself, because I achieved fluency, you know, after so long. I did so many hard work. I did a lot of things. Then I can speak English. Then today I can explain. But if I break my consistency, then I will lose everything. I will lose everything. So now I realize that no, that is very bad thing which is going on with me. Then I decided no guys, no. I should be continue, I should be make videos, I should be speak, I should be introduce, I should be learn something new every day. So that's why I want to suggest with you, I want to make a suggestion for you. Please guys, if you are learning English, then please don't break your consistency, please, literally. Because one thing I observed that is my fluency is going to lost. I'm unable to pronounce, I'm unable to make sentences, I'm unable to use my mind, because it is totally going to empty. I would say if I don't do practice uh, on daily basis, then after some time I will forget each and everything, whatever I have learned, whatever I have observed, I will lose each and everything. So that's why I want to say, please guys, don't break your consistency, because that is the only way you can achieve fluency. If you are speaking, if you are reading, if you are talking with person, then you can continue, then you can learn, and you can uh, become fluent. Otherwise there is no any other option to become fluent, to learn English. Literally guys, please do practice each and every day, read every day, because this is our second language. How I can say something. So always be ready to face any problems. So always ready to face any problems, because all the situation will not in your hand. Just like me, all the situation is not in my hand, because there is no an English environment. I have to surround myself in English environment by listening, while talking, while making video, while reading, and there is no any other option to me, for me personally. So guys, if you are learning, then please don't break your consistency, because many people also they are wondering, or they are asking only one question, there is only shortcut way to improve English language, how can we achieve fluency by passing 1 month, 6 month? But I would say there is no any other option. You have to be dedicated, you have to face problems, you have to learn every day, you have to read or write, speak, talk with peoples, real peoples. You have to surround yourself in English, then you can improve your English. Otherwise there's no any certain way to improve our English language. So my suggestion would be, please don't break your consistency. Always be ready to face every situations, because I observe, and these days I would say I'm not so consistent on my channel. So that's why I realized that my channel is also not growing, because also I'm not growing, I'm not learning, I'm not learning something new every day in every situations. I would say my level is totally stop. I can speak but not fluent. I can speak little bit. I have to learn. I have to improve every day. So that is very bad point for me, which is I break my consistency, and I would say now my mind is going to empty, because a lot of words, sentence, it's totally, you know, they have gone, and I don't know where. Why? Because I didn't practice. Why? Because I didn't speak. Why? Because I didn't make video on that topic. That's why they are gone. So what inside? Nothing. What inside? In my mind? Nothing. But now I decided to improve English language in any situations. That's why I'm here, and also I want to share with you. So please, I hope you will stay motivated, you will stay consistent. Okay, so please don't break your consistency. And now I want to share with you something other. See, here is grasses, other plants and maize plants, or my mango tree behind. It is growing. I love to see that it's growing well. And many plants, so many plants. So I don't know something, maybe it will here or stay here like a snake or other things. So that's why I want to go, and I have to do dishes, then prepare dinner. So that's all about me. And see this lovely view. So I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye bye.